Okay guys, we're going to be building book number 7, that's A, 7A. Like I told you, is the base of the clock. So just open it up. This is quite simple actually. The hard part was the working mechanism. You can see we're going to build this part. So let's go to 7A and step number 1. So I need this, put 2 of these here, okay, put this on the side, one here, one here. Now why we put these 2 locks this way, so you can lock this up. Look how they work as lock. Okay. Now they become one part. It helps you lock it. And then you connect this so it becomes one long part. Take one more of these and put it on top. And make sure everything is locked in tight. Yeah, you got one long part. Now what do we do? Just going to open up all the parts so you guys can see it. Okay. One, take it down, take another, connect it down. Okay, you can see I'm connecting it down. The one you connect down, put it on top. Okay, it's like this. And the other 2, put it on top. Take this and put it on. So this is on top and connect this at the bottom. So you see something like a stand is happening. And now what do you do? Pick one. The smallest side inside, 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Take a 5-volt beam here, put it here, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, and what is the final step you do for this? Just take your 15 number beam, put 1, leave 1 hole, put here 1, now do this 2 times. So did this one, same thing on the other side. 1, 2. You see I'm doing exactly the same thing. 3, 4. Now what do you do? Here. It should be facing downward here. Same thing for this. And finally, you need to connect it to this. So, here. That's it. Your stand's ready. Now once you're done with, you can see your stand is ready. Once you're done with book A, go back to book B. Go back to book B, 7B. And let's resume. We had finished step number 23 in the last video. Now what we got to do on step number 24 is attach this and this stand. Okay, and what's going to help us attach is this beams we have to attach to this. So this has to go into this, right? So this will become our stand. So you put it like this, very simply. Take this. These red peas are for locking. So you can lock it here. One, same way. Two, three, okay, so we've done with, you can see that it stands, it works fine. We'll just put this up. This will help it lock in place. You can put this, you can, remember I was telling you about this angular beam. You can see when you keep it here, it stops this white part from rotating. So you can, what you got to do is you got to get this clock working. So the first, okay, so we'll do this in the third video. I'm going to put this pointer back again and all of this. I'll get this set up and we'll do this in the third video. We'll do the experimentation. So, but this is how it should look. If you look at it, let's put the pointer also here so you guys can have a look. Put it down. Remember to put your finger here. So this is how. Okay, so we're going to continue in the third video.